So, Oracle mode. Seeking. Hello, cat. Hello.
Go left.
Go left. So, dito ako go left. Okay, go left. Okay, I'm going left now. Now what? Dito na ako sa left side. Ano gusto mong sabihin? So, pumunta na ako from doon. Nagpa-left side na ako. May sinasabi atang direction eh. Yun lang, medyo matagal lang talaga siya. During paranormal investigation, kailangan mo talaga ng patience. If you don't have patience, I don't think you're gonna get some good responses. Okay, let's just seek. I might fast forward it.
Don't go in there.
Don't go in there. Okay. Don't go in there. Okay, I'm gonna go back to my original position. Sabi mo go left, tapos sinabi mo don't go in there. Well, that's scary. So, maganda pala itong Oracle mode is, unlike dun sa word mode, is one word at a time. Ito, they have the chance to create sentences, even commands. May mga tao sa paligid.
I can't do it anymore.
Whoa, I can't do it anymore. Okay. Next, we're gonna ask question. Can you please tell me your name? Ay, seeking na siya ulit. I can't do it anymore. So, please try to utilize...
I hate it.
I hate it. Oh, you hate your name? Una sabi, go left. Pumunta ako sa left, sabi, don't go in there. That's some scary thing to see in a ghost box. So usually pag pumupunta ako dito, nagdadala talaga ng mga physical... Watch out. Ooh. What am I gonna watch out? What am I gonna watch out? Could you please elaborate? Sabi niyo watch out. That's some scary responses.
Go away.
Ooh, go away. Okay, that's the kind of responses that you don't want to see during investigation. Can you please tell me why you want me to go away? Please, any final messages that you would like to say to me? And I'm gonna go away.
Behind you.
Behind you. Wag. Anong behind you ka dyan? Tama talaga, if you want me to go away, takutin niyo ako. Sabihan ba ka ba naman ng behind you? Okay.
We need time.
We need time. We need time. I think it's we need time. I think it's we need time. Alright? You need time for... Could you please elaborate? Alis ako doon. Sabi ba naman akong behind you eh. Joke lang naman yun guys. Hindi naman talaga ako takot sa multo and anything. Hindi naman ako magiging paranormal researcher at investigator.
Be patient.
Be patient. Di ba? So, be patient. Okay, tama nga. Tulad ng sabi ko kanina, in order to become a paranormal investigator, researcher, you need to be patient. Okay, I'm gonna be patient, guys. Medyo wrong spelling siya, pero syempre, they're trying their best to communicate. I'm just gonna sit here and wait for some responses. Hello! Baka mas spirit guides to eh. Alright.
Affect lights.
Affect lights. Ooh. Sayang talaga hindi ko nadala ang aking EMF meter. Feel ko yun yung ginamin nila eh. Kasi usually pag pumupunta ako dito, nagdadala ko ng EMF meter. So yung EMF meter may lights talaga yun eh. So mas mako-confirm pa talaga natin if meron tayong nakakausap ng mga entities or spirits. Alright, gonna wait for some responses. Lumapit yung chicken sa akin.
My
Hello.
shadow.
My shadow. Wow. My shadow. Saan ko yung shadow niya?
Please stay.
Oh, please stay. Kanina sabi mo go away, pero ngayon please stay. Okay, I'm gonna stay for a few minutes. Depende sa mga kasamahan natin. So, pinapalis sa'yo kanina go away, pero ngayon please stay. Okay. So, yun yung sinasabi ko bilang paranormal investigator or researcher. Kailangan mo talaga ng
You have
patience.
to go now.
Uy, tapos ngayon you have to go now. Ano ba talaga? I'm confused. So, ang theory ko nito, merong mga either few spirits or entities that are messing with this device. So, sabi na isa, please stay. Then, you have to go now. I think aalis na rin kami. Nagpe-prepare ng mga kasama ko. So, any final messages that you want to say to me before I go? Okay, we're gonna go. I'm gonna go now. You want me to go now?
Making noises.
Oh, that's the... oh, yan talaga ang pinakaayaw ko mga responses eh. Maingay daw ako eh. Sorry, so tahimik na talaga sila. O, tingnan nyo yung cat. Naiingayan na rin. Okay, I'm gonna go. Thank you for all the entity spirits that try to communicate with me. Please don't attach with me and please don't go with us. Stay here, okay? Making noises daw. Okay, maingay talaga ako pag nag-i-investigate.
Mother.
Mother, okay. I think it's my mother-in-law. Doon siya nakalibing. Alright. So, thank you. I'm gonna stop it. Okay, paranormal cyclist out.